I love the SW-Motech range of tank bags. This is the GS Evo, which matches the profile of the Tiger tank very nicely. But it's a little bit big for everyday use if you're just nipping out for a day. So I went and got myself the micro. Let's see how that fits. Fits nicely. It's small enough that you can use the complete range. So I can be full forward like that, fully back like that. So you just situate it the way you want it. I'm going to leave a little bit of room because I use my Optimate in here. So halfway looks like a decent mounting point for that. Looks good. You put your mounting ring on your top plate, like all the other Motech bags in this range. And I just need to drill the holes for these now to mount that. I won't show you that because Motech do their own videos of and lots of other people, and they're pretty straightforward. I can use my locking pin on this and my lock kit as well. So that's easy done. That's the locking pin hole there actually. That's it in the fully forward position. That's it, fully back. And to be honest, it'll fit anywhere. It'll clear everything. It's so small, it'll fit anywhere along that adjustment, whatever takes your fancy. I'll go somewhere in the middle. All done. That's the position I ended up with. Nice fit. It does have an expanding section, which is just zipped. It's really enough for, you know, small camera, phone, wallet, stuff like that. It'd be a bit tight even for a 35mm camera, really. But if you expand it, it gives you a bit of extra room. Because that internal base takes up a nice bit of the inside space, actually. So it is smaller than you think, but it's handy if you want the smallest tank. So this is the micro. Fits well. And it comes with the obligatory waterproof cover, which has 2 toggles on it. One to use if you're not using it expanded, and one to use if you are using it expanded. But just pretty normal waterproof, showerproof cover.